This 2024 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 7184 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 23 feet 1 inch in length and features a Driftwood interior, sleeps 8, spare tire kit, external shower, microwave, air conditioning, smoke detector, slide-out, water heater, self-contained, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 7184 BHS is 4,240 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.